Bali wali hali bali hua mugaga shu kung fu yamaha. Hey, it's VJ from Canada, and on the subject of whether you should get your own thought guru, I would highly recommend it. Now, I never sought out a thought guru. My thought guru came to me. I guess he perceived that I was a total idiot with a short attention span and really nothing interesting or beneficial to contribute to the world. Now, I have no idea what my thought guru looks like. The guru comes to me through smoke signals on the horizon. Nothing's coming through right now, but I have no idea what the guru looks like. The guru does have an internet page, and by looking at his avatar, he reminds me a lot of Roddy McDowell from Planet of the Apes. Now, the thought guru is a mystical holy man, and I doubt if he freelances. And I'm glad that he doesn't, because I need all the help I can get.